So don't let other people project their insecurities and their fears. You are enough. You are okay just as you are. But we have to find out who are the people that deserve to be in our life and who are the people that we need to discard. Okay. Point number 6, when you are alone, talk to a friend. Sometimes that talking to a friend could be in the material that we're reading. It could be some motivational. It could be something spiritual. It could be something like listening to a podcast, an audiobook, or listening to something that will feed our spirit. Because when we feel alone, we need some fortification. And sometimes just the right words that somebody can say can encourage our mood, lift our hearts, lift our spirit, and make us feel so much better. So listen to something positive, something motivational, read something, talk to a friend, or a support person, a mentor, a coach. But everybody needs somebody. So whether it is in person or it is somebody virtual, make sure you have some source that is going to sharpen you, just like an iron, okay? Sharpen you mentally, encourage you, let you know that you're deserving, let you know that you're enough, let you know that you have a place in this world. Nate says, process of elimination. Yes, we have to eliminate all of the toxicity. We definitely don't need any toxic people in our lives, do we? So get rid of those toxic people. Eliminate them from your life, and you will feel so much better. I know for myself, when I got rid of all of the users and the takers, the ones that like to run over you like a rug, you feel so much better because you don't have that weight of someone always bringing drama and negativity and always wanting and always having their hand out. Give me, give me, give me. But they never give back to you. It's so much better when you are by yourself. You don't have others' drama, others' negativity, others' projections, their fears and insecurities. So it's best if you just take some time sometimes by yourself, getting to know you, getting to know what you want, knowing what you deserve, and knowing that you are enough. So if you feel down or discouraged, reach out. Don't be afraid to say, hey, what are you doing? I'm feeling this sort of way. You have to have people that you can lower your, that you can feel safe around, that you know is not a person you will tell them something and then they go and spread all your business to everybody. There has to be people that you trust. So talk to a trusted friend. You see how I said trusted? They put some skin in the game. They've proven to you that they're not going to backstab you. They've proven to you that their mouth is not like a sieve. Whatever goes in and goes right back out. No, you need somebody who will keep your personal, your private things and not want to run and tell all of your business. So talk to a friend that's going to support you. You support them sometimes, they support you sometimes. Everybody needs somebody. So here we are, chat family, and we're on the last point of today's podcast and discussion. And that is, when you are feeling alone, get outside. Please don't stay in the four walls of, just being in that mode of work to home, to work to home. You have to have something. Get outside. And here in Florida, the weather is up and down, but today is a beautiful day. So I went for a nice walk. And even if your weather is inclement, just getting outside for 5 minutes, just for some clarity of your mind, just being outside, going for a walk, even if you're not going anywhere, okay? Just get outside, go for a walk for a few minutes and come back in. Free your mind. Talk to yourself. I'm not going to just stay here in the bed feeling sorry for myself. I'm not going to give up on myself. I'm going to support myself, okay? Nate says, gotta expand your horizons no matter what. You sure do. And Nate says, facts, get out and breathe. Yes, that's the